Hey everybody, it's Paul Rabillo, ActiveStocks.com, Monday, September 28th, and what a day so far, everybody. Triple-digit gains, mergers and acquisitions. We talked about it on Friday. It might be what would hurt short sellers, and why I said I would be out of any short positions on Friday. Actually, one of the things is I do like to get out of most of my positions on Fridays anyway, but definitely short positions, because this month we've seen a lot of deals. And today may have been the biggest day of all as far as M&A is concerned, and the market's just skyrocketing right here. We did have a short idea this morning that we talked about on the site. First Solar, FSLR, some negative comments in this past weekend's Barron's. Stock was, maybe a play was going to go down, and it did, and we talked about it this morning on our playbook as our favorite short idea. On the long side, Intuitive Surgical, ISRG, that was our play there. It went up really quick this morning and then pulled back down a little bit. The only way that you would have made money there is if you had gotten in very early on the stock and then put your trailing stop up behind and just kept moving it higher, but then it did come back down. Again, that's something I would have done super early this morning, so, I know that's not a play that I would have gotten, but again, I didn't want to explain to someone how they could possibly do something with a stock like that, but you have to be more aggressive as far as a trader to be able to make money on a stock like that. Monday mornings, usually not the best time. I would say Monday mornings and Friday afternoons are probably not the best time to be as aggressive as you can be. Those are probably my least favorite times of being aggressive. I like to sort of feel what the market's doing, and on Friday afternoon, kind of like to get the everything sort of taken down, clean it down, and really focus on what will be coming up the following week and sort of wipe the slate as clean as possible, again, depending on what I'm into those stocks that day for or whatever. Most of the time, Monday mornings and Friday afternoons are the time that would be my least busiest. So other ideas we talked about this morning, Walter Energy, WLT, that was one of our other favorite names on the long side, doing really well. That stock here, I would keep holding that, see how this one closes. Again, move your trailing stop up so that if it does get a pullback, you'll at least have locked in a profit, but it looks pretty good right now. Question about exact trading points, price points. I've been getting emails from readers there about that. I don't like to put exact price points in, and I'll tell you why. We have a lot of subscribers, so if you put a specific price point, a lot of times traders will like to use that price point in particular or right around there. And what happens is, imagine if we have hundreds and hundreds and thousands of people getting out at the same exact time at the same price, it's not going to work. What will happen is a few people, will get out early, but then the stock will either tank or spike up depending on if it's a long or short. So I stay away from that. But again, what you want to do is you want to look at the position, scale into it slowly. If you're going to take a position based on what you read on our site, scale into them slowly. Utilize your sell stops, protect your downside, whether you're long or short. And if the stock begins to move quickly, which we've seen in quite a few occasions of our picks, you want to get a trailing stop and trail as the stock goes up. You're going to keep trailing that play. So if a stock, if you buy to 160 and it shoots up to 165, 166, get your trailing stop up around 164. And if it pulls back down and it hits your price point, okay, so you're out, It's still a nice gain anyway. But again, just the idea of utilizing your stop losses. It is holiday trading today, so we'll probably see a little bit lighter volume. So just want to wish everyone out there that's celebrating a Jewish holiday, happy Yom Kippur today. And we will see everyone tomorrow. Tomorrow will be Tuesday, and we're 2 steps closer to the end of the quarter of what has been a great quarter. So we'll see if there's any more window dressing that happens. So more on that tomorrow, everybody. Take care. Thanks.